Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change profile picture on Instagram. To change profile picture on Instagram, firstly open your Instagram application. Now tap on your profile which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now there is an option edit profile right below your profile picture. Tap on that option. Now tap on your profile picture. Different options will show up. Now tap on new profile picture. Now choose the photo that you want as your profile picture. Now tap on next at the top right corner of your screen. After that, click on next which is again at the top right corner of your screen. You can see that our profile picture has been successfully updated or you have successfully changed your profile picture. So this is how you will be able to change a profile picture on Instagram. If you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press that notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming videos from us. Thank you and see you in next video.